Don't you love it? You can't not love it. Don't you love it?
It's cool, but I thought we were gonna get a real Christmas tree this year.
We were, but then I was at the junkyard looking for art supplies, and I got the idea for this. It's a Magna tree.
Magna?
Yeah, it's rigged with a dangerously large electromagnet. Sam, come check out our magnetic Christmas tree.
Magnetic?
He made it instead of getting us a real Christmas tree.
Here, watch. First, I activate. And now, keys. Yeah?
Whoops, time for cheese.
Thought you loved my sculptures.
I do. It's just, I wanted a Christmas tree that smells like Christmas. This smells like junk. And yard.
You'll be happy once we put ornaments on and put presents all around it. Did you wrap any yet?
Yeah, they're up in my room.
Go get them!
Okay.
Huh.
Hi.
Hey.
Hey, you were supposed to help me get out of that flashlight costume.
Yeah, I'm supposed to do a lot of things that never happen.
Hey, you know what'll make you feel better?
What?
Sticking a hammer to a magnetic Christmas tree.
Yeah, that's always a good time.
Hi, sorry to butt. Freddie, give me that! You know I don't like you handling tools.
Mom,
Let's go.
come on, I'm trying to live my life.
If somebody wants to get to the mall in time to sit on somebody's lap and tell somebody what he wants for Christmas, somebody better hurry up.
Is little Freddie going to see Santa Claus?
No. Let's go.
I tried to keep it vague.
Well, it didn't work.